Okay. So now this consolidation, my man, here, as you look, see, doing this might be doing what? Might be hunting the stop losses. Because let's say for an example, man, you are in here with a buy, man, and then it do consolidation. But once it goes down, most of the time it's hunting those stop losses. It's taking out the stop losses. Plus, you know, most when once price break this level here, you remove your stop loss from wherever it was, and then you move it, like let's say you put it somewhere there.
Yeah.
And then they will do this, hunt your stop loss, and then kick you out before they push price down. But besides that, look at this level here, the order block on this far left, right? And then and then look at this level here. So look what price has been doing. Look at this impulse here, and then look at this impulse here. Look at this consolidation here.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Yeah, it looks like a clear mirror image, man. Like I said, like well, you know when you analyze mirror image, you put this line just to show that okay, this move was right, yeah, and then this one here going up is this one going up, and then this consolidation here is this one here. You see, just to make it clear for you, and then this push down is this one now. Hence, I went in here with a buy, right, going all the way up. So another thing, maybe you're doing wrong. Hide your stop loss. Look at this low here. You got this low here. You got this low here. So
my stop loss is that lowest low.
okay, this one here, which is
yes,
this one here is,
yes.
This one here, it's aggressive stop loss. This one, but this one, yes, I like it. I like it that way. So maybe what we are doing wrong. Maybe you panic. Maybe you panic too much. Like as you can see, because we're already here with the buy. Our buy is somewhere there. See, it's somewhere there. Yeah.
Okay.
So we're on a small loss there, right? Yeah. It means price is not yet done taking out all those stop losses there, right? If you can check, maybe from here going down, it might be. Let me just check something because I can't calculate the pips with this one. Okay, this is euro care. Let's just go to this is euro care. From now, you can tell that okay, it's from here to there. It's like 14 pips down. We are running on 14 pips loss, right? Yeah. But look at the trend line just through there. Okay. Look at this trend line here, right? It bounces there. It's the same level as this one. It's the same level as this one. And then this is your breakout. Now it's retracing that trend line. You see, it's retracing that trend line. From here, we're looking for a nice buy to complete that mirror image. You see, my man? Like the confluences, man, you always have your confluences. I don't know when you say you've been losing. So your confluences will be like even the trend line will confirm that. Right? Even the 61.8 will confirm that. Even if it looks like it's past 61.8 a little there, but it's going towards what? Towards the trend line. See?
Okay. Okay, I'm still waiting for the confirmation candle down there so that I can buy. I decided to wait for it.
Yeah, you decided to wait. Okay, it's fine to wait, but as you can see, I don't wait much when because for me, man, I got like all these confirmations that I got this 2 confirmation that I can buy. Like I said, the mirror image, right? Change of structure, because this is the high here. It's from the new high, right? Even if it was look at the take profit, look at that level there. It's below that level there. So when for me, once it bounces here, it might stop there, right? It might stop there. And even if with the it might stop here before it can go and retest this. Because now it looks like this high here was taken out by this one. So it's going to test this one around 61.8, which is this level. So it might go all the way. I'm not saying it's gonna do that. I said it might go.
Yeah.
But
don't you think your TP is too close?
No, like I'm looking at this level here. Can you check this level?
Yeah,
I'm looking at that level there, right? So it might be the same level. Yeah, once it hit this level here, because it's gonna take this one out, it might come back and then we buy it again at our 1, 2, and then at our level 3 somewhere there, we'll buy it again. Yeah.
Going up, okay.
And then
Yeah.
about the trend line, we can also take it as far as this level here, right? Or we can just do it like this, right? Yeah.
My trend line goes as far up as
there.
It looks clear to me.
Yeah.
It looks very clear.
Yeah, it looks very clear. What about another pair? Let's talk about any other pair. Which one do you have in mind?
I was looking at. Let me see. I was looking at CAT JPY.
Okay.
Yeah, CAT JPY.
I can tell what you're thinking by just looking at this setup now. Right?
Yeah, so, tell me.
Yeah, this is the level that you're looking at. Like what we can do, we can just highlight all that level there.
What time frame is that?
Okay, let's go to H1. Yeah, that one was 2 hours. I was just playing around with it.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so, H1.
We'll be looking at this level here. Like, is that what you're thinking? Yeah, like all the time.
No, let me.
Okay, come on. Tell me. Talk to me.
This is H1, right? Yeah, okay, let me show you. If you can draw, this one is. Can you zoom it out?
Are you using a phone or a laptop?
I'm using a phone. Okay. Let me try to change to my laptop.
Do it.
Oh, okay. Can you zoom it out a bit?
Okay.
Man.
I mean like this?
No. Yeah, when you draw a trend line from, what is it? This is March. Yes. Going up there, and then you pull a Fibonacci from the top. Yeah, that is what I'm expecting. Now it's going to go up to the Fib zone, then come back down.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that is my expectation of this pair.
Yeah, exactly what I've been thinking. Immediately when you mentioned this pair, then I was thinking about that thing. Yeah, look, like we are looking at 61.8. You're looking at the consolidation to 61.8, right?
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Then from there we'll buy it all the way down to that level. Or we have level for your exit. You can have this level here. Okay, and then you can have this other one here. So now it's gonna depend. On your Now it's gonna depend on your ABCD. It's also gonna depend on your Elliott wave. If we got Elliott wave on this one, because if this one is wave 1 of your Elliott wave,
okay.
Yeah. If this one will be your wave 1, this one is gonna be your 2.
Okay.
If it follows the Elliott wave rule, wave 3 is always the longest. It means it's gonna stop there to give us wave 3, right? Wave 3 is gonna be this one here, right? But another thing you should look at for your exit. You can exit here, right? To
it's safe.
To be on the safe side, because this level here is gonna be your A, your B, and then we're gonna be selling at C, and then we get out at D. Okay. Because let's talk about confluences. How many confluences do we have? Look at this lows here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. These 2 lows here were taken out by this low.
By that one, yes.
Right. Yeah. And then this trend line here was taken out as well. You see.
The breakout.
This is a consolidation. We call this one, we call it like we can say it's a bearish flag formation, right? It's in the process of forming a bearish flag. So from here it might go all the way up to 61.8, like you said, or all the way to the trend line. Okay, before it pushes price down. So for your stop loss, obviously for your stop loss is gonna be
above that high.
Yeah, just have to hide it because we're gonna go inside 61.8. Once it touches 61.8, then your stop loss will be sorry. Okay, your stop loss will be there, and then we will our entry will be at 60.8, and then our exit will be like there. See?
I wonder what is it that I'm doing wrong, because the way you are looking at it,
but man, like don't panic much, because you know what, man, we had like, you know, those news, man, that we had, like man, it destroyed all the setups that we have.
Like, even your side.
even on my side, man, it destroyed all the setup. Let me give you like an example on NZDK, not or NZDJPY. Okay, look at NZDJPY. Look what happened on NZDJPY. My setup was on my setup was on I think it was H4. Let me just check. I'll confirm now.
Okay.
Yeah, it was on H4. Look, it was a clear setup, man. Right? It was a clear one. It was a clear setup. Yeah. But lucky for me, on some of my trades, my stop loss was there. Not like about that high there. Okay, sorry. Let me just do this. Yeah, my stop loss was somewhere about that high there, right? And my entry was here when they said, yeah. And I've been holding for like you can see loss, break even, and a big loss. Now it went straight to a small profit. Okay. Yeah, which is even not this one only, even pound JPY, even AUD JPY, they did the same.
I had chef JPY, it kicked me out, and Euro JPY, was it Euro JPY? I'm not sure, but chef JPY, it kicked me out. And I'm saying it was chef JPY. It kicked me out.
Oh, Swiss franc JPY.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot happened, man. I don't know, because I wasn't even on the market by that time. I wasn't even on the market. When I woke up and then I just found out that okay, this thing sabotage all my setups. See, it's like okay, it's part of the game, man. It's part of the game. But man, yeah, you're trading good. I like the way you trade. I like your setups, but I don't know what you're still doing wrong. Okay.
It will get better with time.
Yeah, in time, my man, we'll do that. Let's just be online. Let's hear another one if you've got any questions.
Oh, by the way, can we check Euro NZD?
Euro NZD. Okay, cool. Okay, on it.
Oh, okay. Exactly what I have.
See?
Okay.
I was doing this morning. So this is what I see on Euro NZD shop.
I wonder what is wrong with me.
Yeah, like I say, you see, your setups are always great, but I don't know what's wrong with what you're doing wrong and stuff. Maybe it's because, man, what I can advise you, you have to understand what's the market, the behavior of the market. The market, what's the market doing? What is it saying to you? Understand? Like if you go in with a buy here, and then it hit your stop loss, ask yourself what is that doing? remember, man, it might be hunting the stop losses before it pushes price up. You know, it's very painful for you to lose a trade, and then once it hit your stop loss, and then price went all the way up. See, very, very painful. And then
Yeah.
like you'll be thinking someone is watching your trades. No one is watching your trades, man, because they know, like, psychologically what you're gonna do. They know retail traders what they do most of the time. Once you hit your stop loss, you're no longer gonna go to that.
You run away, yeah.
You just run away straight away.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So this
Where are the rest
this
of
is
the
what we see. Like what I can just add. If you pull your Fibo, let's say from that to that, roughly. Already we've missed a buy entry there. You see?
Yeah.
Already we've
So
missed a
last
buy
night.
entry long time ago. We saw it late. But this consolidation, I agree, you know that after every impulse, there should be a consolidation. That consolidation will give you a direction. Will give you a direction where the market is going. See? Yeah. So even on this one, this consolidation, it's offloading, right? It's offloading those who are already on a buy. So, but when it does that offload, it gives you what? It gives you like a pattern, which is a bullish flag, a continuation pattern. It's going to continue going up. See, we can't keep having news that keep having news that sabotage our trades all the time. We can't lose all 7 trades a week. Understand? Yeah. So let's jump in on this one and see what's gonna do. Like the best confirmation that we can have is when price break this level here and then come and stop there. If it breaks and come and stop there, that's where we're gonna get our entry. We're gonna get our next entry. That's where we're gonna get our next buy entry. Okay. Going up to that level. Because the reason why I'm saying is gonna stop there. Look at this level here. So we look at this level here. Look at this level here. See, and then look at how strong this area is. See, this 2 area is very strong. See, so we might look at the bounce there coming back, and then another buy entry going up. I understand.
But it has already bounced there.
Come again? Oh, you mean here?
Yes.
No, I'm looking at once it breaks. I'm looking at once it breaks this trend line. Remember, this trend line is also this trend line is also strong. It failed to break here. It failed to break trend line there. It failed to break here. It failed to break here. Now it looks like once it breaks and then the confirmation that is going up is there. It's either it can break here and push all the way up, or break here, stop here, come back down, give us another entry, and then we went in again. Until
yeah.
So, yeah. And then once it means we are done. And another thing that I realized about you is that maybe you don't know where to get out. Like you don't maybe you don't get out much. Like here, man, you should just get out. By one. Because always follow the ABC. Always follow the ABC rule. Like if this is your A, your B, your C will be your entry, and then your D, your exit. Simple. Yeah.
Yeah.
By one.
Yeah, I got one of them.
That's more.
And then where are the rest of the guys?
Okay, the rest of the guys are here. Oh yeah, just that I'll see what I can do. I'll talk to them. Maybe they will come to the office again. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I got to make sure here. We wanna know how we use, man. Like how to get those entries most of the time. How we use to get those entries. It's simple, my man. What we do, man. We use Fibonacci most of the time to get the entries, or we can just use the order block to get those entries. Okay. So like on this, for an example, on this one, we don't have order block on your far left, but we have 61.8 of your Fibo. That's when like I just mentioned to Savelo here that okay, Sanele here that okay, we missed an buy entry here at 61.8 of our feed. As you can see, this is your 61.8 of our Fibonacci here, right? Once price touch this level, it's your time to buy, right? So for us to get those nice entries, like you ask, man, we mostly use pending orders. Like once price break or once price start to do this consolidation here, we just pull the Fibo from this low to the nearest high, which is can be this one, and then we place our pending order, buy stop at 61.8, and then price will just come all the way down to pick up that part, to trigger in that buy stop and push all price all the way up. See, and then as for order block, man, like what I can just say is this, man. If we have price going down like this, right, going down like this, man, I'm not sure if you're gonna, yeah. So once price break, bounce 3 times on one level, you can draw a trend line. So if you draw a trend line, let's say you patiently wait for price to break, it breaks, right? So this far left here, you just highlight the last bearish candle before this movement going up, right? So you just highlight that last bearish movement. That's gonna be your order block. So price will went back into that order block, and then we'll buy it there going all the way up. So let me just, I don't know, do you have any pair that we can do quickly? And I'll show you how to get those entries. Hey Tumisho, do you have any pair that we can run this quickly now? Could you?
Sure.
Hey Doc?
Oh, last number.
Yeah, talk to me.
Kona ke fitla no. Pay a go bon. Ne ke lebeletse today. GDP cat.
Okay, yeah, just tell me quickly what you see on GBP cat.
Wana mo ho tlo nna le 1 2 3 it will create a 1 2 3 it retrace breakout yeah resistance. Yeah, net from ibule ko smaller time frame.
Can you try English, because I'm gonna share this video on YouTube, my man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, smaller time frame.
We are on H1 now.
Yeah, there's a breakout of that resistance there, and then it retracing it with a flag.
You mean this high here?
Yes, that high there.
Yeah. Okay.
Billy, you little asshole! Why don't you rat yourself out for a change? Little butt snip, ought to come out there and kick
Okay.
your ass!
Yeah. Okay, because yeah, like it looks like it's forming a bullish flag. Like what you are saying is that what I understand you nicely is that you say, okay, it's gonna form the level 3. You mean like this, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So your Fibo, are you gonna pull it from here to there? Or wait, or am I right?
Yes, from the nearest low. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You see, another thing, man. You should know. Look, if, like you said, your setup is like this. It went up, down, and then breaks out. So now it went down and then start consolidating, and then it went all the way up, and then this is what you're saying is gonna happen, right? So your buy entry will be here, right? Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Like what I see, like, let's say it's an impulse. Like let's say it's a wave 1 of Elliott wave. After every wave 1, there is A, B, C retracement, right? Before it forms wave 3, A, B, C retracement. I want, and then wave 5. Okay. In every wave, there is a retracement like A, B, C retracement before it forms this one. If based on Elliott wave, every impulse, as you can see, how do you identify that the pair is very strong? How do you identify that the bulls or the bears are very strong? Look at this movement. Look at this 3 candles pushing price up, right? It means the bulls are very strong. This is just, it's only a consolidation. The A, B, C retracement before it pushes price up. So we can agree on an entry there of a buy entry, right? And your exit might be okay, like the other one, we got two levels that got the exit, which is this one and this one. So it's either we're gonna jump in there immediately when it touches 61.8, it's still gonna jump in. Might push all the way down and then we jump in there. We can exit here or exit there. What I like about this one, my man, is that the stop loss is very close. It's not very close. It's very the risk is very small. Like if, as you can see, okay. Let's say we're getting in there. We can't go all the way down there for a stop loss. This is a pound payment. It's very dangerous. You just have to place it below, yeah, below this low here, right? So our take profit will be this one. The first one might be this one, and then the second one might be that one. So, but my advice, man, is for you to get out here. Sorry, yeah. My advice is for you to get out. You're getting out there, right? Because we don't know what's going to happen after it breaks this one. Because after it breaks this one, it might come back, which your emotions won't allow you to do that before it pushes all the way up there. Or you can just leave your TP open to push it to see if it's going to go all the way there. But once it breaks this one, you as well. Once it breaks this one, once price break this one, that's when you can move your stop loss to break even. For your break even, like put it like few pips in, like not exactly where your entry is, a little bit, a few pips above your entry, right, to protect your swap. Okay. So yeah, to secure your swap there, because already the broker have charged you the swap. So just have to, if your entry is here, price break this level here, you move your stop loss to this, which is break even. Only after it breaks this, okay. Yeah. If you are satisfied, man, I like your setup, but we just have to, I'll just wait for it to reach this level and then I'll buy it going up. So this level here, which I think is very strong as well. So that's why I'm getting out. That's why I'm saying let's get out there. Okay. Sharp. And we got
Hola.
yeah, we got AUD CAD as well. Someone is asking about AUD CAD. Is talking about AUD CAD. Okay. You see, man, yeah, that's for AUD CAD. Look, it's the same as like talking about weakness against strength. We see a weak CAD on pound CAD. We see that pound is going to push price up, and then it means that the CAD, Canadian dollar, is going to be weak. Okay. On to me, on week, we just says for pound JPY, we saw it like a weak CAD. On this one too, we can just claim that okay, we'll be looking at the weak CAD. But let's talk about those entries here, because these guys want to know about the entries. So as you can see, we got order block on your far left, which is this one, and we got another one, which is this one here, right? So this is the two levels that we are looking at. So what is price doing now? Look at this impulse. It's correcting. Price is correcting this impulse, this move going up, right? And then do we have change of structure? This is what you should be asking yourself every time when you do your analysis. If you draw your trend line like this there, so once price break the trend line, it's a change of structure. So now it's retracing. It's forming like something like a bullish pennant. So it's either we buy it here going up, or we wait for it to reach this level here and buy it going up. So this is gonna be your shoulder this side, your head here, which is head and shoulder. Our exit will be there. Okay. Your exit will be there. So it's this one is a simple one. Just like pound cat, man. We could just like your pound cat. It looks like cat is gonna be weak. I don't know whether it's a short or long term, but it's gonna be weak. Okay. Okay, right. So yeah, our entry is gonna be here, which here I like it because the risk will be very low, because our stop loss will be below that level there. So if you go in there, you can't. Your stop loss should be below those far left here, there, below these lows at your far left. Don't touch this. Sorry about that. Don't touch that. Yeah, your stop loss can be below this low here, right? Yeah, don't touch this low if you place your stop loss. Don't touch that, right? Because you can't risk all this. See, you can't risk all this because your exit will be that level there. You can't risk all that, but yeah, if it reaches this level, it's much better because we'll be risking normally this. If it reaches this level, we'll be risking normally that. Let me just try to get okay. Okay, yeah. If it reaches this level here, will be our entry will be there. Stop loss below that low, and then our TP will be. Remember, guys, when we place our TP, we just have to draw the order block there. Your entry will be below the order block, not inside or not on top of the order block. Your exit will be below that order block. So this is going to be your exit. So the confirmation there is a change of structure, bullish pennant, right? It's going up, and then the weakness against strength, the head and shoulders as well. See, anyone else? So yeah, man, Tumisha, for you to get the nice entry there, what do you have to do? Place a pending order, right? You can pull your FIBO from here to there. Place your pending order straight on 61.8. So buy limit pending order straight on your 61.8, right? Price will go down with a spike, hunting the stop losses, hit your entry there, and then push price all the way up. Okay, from there it looks like that. I'm not saying it's gonna be like that, but it looks like that. Yeah. Okay. Anything else? If there is nothing else, guys, we can just cut it like this. Okay, we got one message there. Okay, pound USD. Pound USD. Okay. Now let's go with pound USD and see. Now on which one? Let's try H4. So we could. What do you think is gonna happen on this one? What do you see?
I saw 1, 2, 3 and ke bona ka re ke bullish pennanting yana, and
Yeah.
then yeah, ke bona ka re ke bullish pennanting yana 1, 2, 3 there.
Yeah, cause like even me, I had this setup this morning because I went in with a buy here this morning, and then it was on profit, and then yeah, I think now it went back to break even. Yeah, because I went in.
I think ye metse pound tse ding ke nagana gore e emetse pound tse ding.
Because yeah, I went in here with a buy as well this morning. Then I was happy on profit, and then now it's on break even. So I don't know what it's doing right now, but yeah, it looks like that. Let's check higher time frames. Maybe let's say daily or H4. Let's check H4. Okay. And then what do you see on other GBP pair, on other USD CAD? Because on GBP CAD, we saw that pound is gonna be stronger, right? And then on GBP CAD, we saw that pound is gonna be stronger than Canadian dollar. And then on this one, I saw buy this morning, but now I don't know what it's doing. Let's check on H1. Let's try to check the candlesticks on H1, on daily. Oh, what do you see? Anything? I don't see anything, man.
Yeah, yona ya confuse le nna ka e bona.
No, it's confusing me. I don't see anything.
I think if re ka lebelela le NZ CAD and CAD I think le yone o ka re you lose strength everywhere because NZ CAD ne createile breakout ya flag nyana jiki ira double bottom.
You mean NZD?
Yeah.
I don't, man. Like for now, I don't know what's gonna happen with this. Let's try to solve this one first.
Okay.
Because we got this level here. Then we got that one there. It's very confusing, man. I don't know what's going on. Let's check other chart frame. Looks like we're gonna get direction on this one. Because even if you see this candlestick like bearish pin bar, it wasn't retested like 61.8 of it, right? Bonjour. Like our 61.8 of this bearish flag is somewhere here. It wasn't retested like 61.8. We are on weekly now, right? Of